And a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. DTC Enterprise has acquired 21 BTC as part of a plan to incorporate the cryptocurrency into its corporate treasury. The company is looking to accumulate up to 500 BTC within 6 months and 5,000 BTC in 3 years. Despite the growing trend of companies adopting Bitcoin as a treasury asset, often seeing price rises, DTC's shares dropped more than 12% on the trading session following the announcement. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has signaled support for a bill recently passed by the state House of Representatives that would establish a strategic cryptocurrency reserve. In a May 22nd X post, Abbott posted a Tech Story article about Texas state lawmakers' effort to create a Bitcoin reserve. The story pointed out that the decision for the passage of SB 21, the bill in question, now rests on Abbott's shoulders roughly 3 months after it was introduced. Since taking office, Abbott referred to himself as a crypto law proposal supporter in 2021 and suggested that he would support policies to establish Texas as a crypto capital in 2024. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have already surpassed gold ETFs in early growth, with projections of $100 billion in annual inflows by 2027. Publicly listed companies and nation-states currently hold nearly 1.7 million BTC, pointing to long-term confidence. Bitwise projects $120 billion in Bitcoin inflows by 2025 and $300 billion by 2026. A U.S. federal judge has vacated key fraud and manipulation convictions against Avraham Einsberg, the trader at the center of the case involving a $110 million exploit of the decentralized exchange Mango markets. On Friday, U.S. District Judge Arun Subramaniam ruled that the evidence presented at trial failed to support the jury's conclusion that Einsberg made materially false representations to Mango markets. The decision vacates Einsberg's convictions for commodities fraud and market manipulation and acquits him of a third charge, significantly weakening the government's case. Semler Scientific, a medical device company, purchased a $50 million worth of Bitcoin between May 13th and May 22nd, bringing the market value of the company's Bitcoin holdings to $474.4 million, keeping it within the top 13 of BTC treasury companies. According to a May 23rd disclosure, Semler bought a total of 455 BTC for an average purchase price of $109,801. To buy the Bitcoin, Semler Scientific used proceeds from an at-the-market stock offering program. So far, the company has sold roughly 3 million shares of common stock for net proceeds of $115 million. Semler Scientific's shares have fallen 1.36% on the same day as the disclosure, though the decrease in its share price is largely in line with the Nasdaq's performance. That index, which follows top tech stocks, in down 1% on the day. Swiss watchmaker Frank Muller has rolled out a new limited edition timepiece inspired by the Solana blockchain. It brings together the brand's signature luxury style with a nod to crypto culture. Only 1,111 pieces are being made, and each one comes with a price tag of 20,000 Swiss francs, about $24,300. What makes these watches different is a built-in QR code that links directly to the owner's Solana wallet address. The idea is to let users carry their digital identity on their wrist. Conor McGregor, former UFC champion and Irish celebrity, has hinted that he will be running for president and made a bold promise that he will put Bitcoin on Europe's balance sheet. McGregor's presidential ambitions were first announced in March 2025. He is actively focusing his campaign on national issues such as immigration and crime. Meanwhile, Ireland's next presidential election is set for November 11th, 2025, when the current president, Michael D. Higgins, ends his term. As of now, McGregor has not received an official nomination. Control Alt has officially launched its tokenization partnership with the Dubai Land Department for the real estate tokenization project, marking an advancement in property investment within the emirate. This initiative, developed in collaboration with the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority and the Dubai Future Foundation, utilizes the XRP ledger to create a secure and compliant framework for tokenizing real estate title deeds. By enabling fractional ownership, the project allows multiple investors to co-own properties with a minimum investment of AED 2,000 through the PRYPCO Mint platform. Base, an Ethereum Layer 2 network backed by Coinbase, is set to transform user experience with major upgrades targeting speed, fees, and decentralization. As demand increases, Base aims to scale effectively to accommodate both users and developers. According to lead developer Jesse Pollock, the network's improvements are designed to reduce transaction confirmation times to just 200 milliseconds while consistently keeping transaction fees below $0.01. This dual aim is part of a larger strategy with the objective of processing over 200 transactions per second in the short term. Pollock emphasized that the ultimate goal is a staggering capacity of 1 million transactions per second. Pakistan has allocated 2,000 megawatts of surplus electricity exclusively for Bitcoin mining and artificial intelligence centers. The move is part of a broader digital transformation plan spearheaded by the Pakistan Crypto Council and backed by the Ministry of Finance, according to a May 25th report by local news outlet 24 News HT channel. In the first phase, the government plans to channel excess power into AI infrastructure and crypto mining operations. Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb said the decision is expected to attract billions in foreign investment while generating high-tech employment across the country. The initiative's second phase will introduce access to renewable energy for mining operations, aiming to balance growth and environmental responsibility. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Miyuchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.0 and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3worldtv.io or scan the QR code.